Hi everyone, today's challenge, courtesy of Kristen from Brisbane, is all about gift wrapping. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to gather all of the gift wrapping items in your home. Paper, ribbons, bows, gift bags, you've got the idea, and decide where those items are going to live. Now, first up, you have to get rid of any of the excess items that you're never going to use. So if you have 400 rolls of gift paper, chances are you can cut those down pretty substantially. Decide which of those items are going to be donated or given to friends, and then for the rest, set up a gift wrapping area. I've just got a small bin here where the paper stands, and also these great simple boxes or totes enable me to keep like items together. So today it's about gift wrapping. It can be a real bugbear for many, but you can get on top of this. Let's see how you do. Let's conquer this little baby.